Hey, what's up guys? It's Akshat Plays here, and yes, I've not been posting in a while, but here's on the review for today. So let's get started. So guys, this is how the box looks like, and before starting the review, all I want to say is thanks to supercomputers and laptop, they sent me this keyboard right here and this PC right here, so make sure you check them out. I will provide their website link and their Instagram handle in the description below, so we can get rid of the box. So here is our product, the keyboard. It looks really good, as you can tell, and it's mechanical. You can hear the voice. Yeah, that's what. This is a mechanical keyboard, and I'll show you the different RGB function it has. This is like one of those. If I press the key, I guess, yeah, the light comes below it. You can see that. Yeah, this is one of those, and next one is this animation right here. It's really good. I really like how soft the keys are. This is the next one. We're moving forward. This is kind of confusing, so I just did not use this. This is also pretty good, as you can guys already tell. And this is like the opposite way, it just circles around. Now this one right here is pretty good. No, it's not off. If I press any key, from there it starts off and then bursts the thing. It's kind of cool. And the next one is this wave, and I guess this is the last one, and then you get the normal back. Yeah, so this is how many options we have. So I guess the build quality is pretty dope, you gotta say that. Can't tell exactly if that is floating keys, I'm not sure, but the mechanical keyboard, it's really soft and cool to use, guys. Trust me, if you're looking for a mechanical keyboard and budget, this is one of the best ones. And the connecting cable is braided. Yeah, the cable management is not done properly. I'm really sorry for that. So this is how the keyboard looks like, and you can just lift that thing. If I just show you, yeah, you can lift it like that. It's pretty cool. Also, the PC review, and if you look at my monitor, yeah, so those things might happen anytime soon. So guys, I guess this is the review because I've told everything, how it works, the lighting and the cable. So guys, yeah, this was the review. If you liked it, obviously hit the like button and make sure you subscribe, because more reviews are coming in the upcoming months or so. And if you want to buy this product, just go check the description down below. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I will see you in the next one.